ngala jamnyim go ngala thoptang go ngala rawang go tendi zia ga kaja de teni shanna yang teni te shanna yang teni ti shapi wutup to yomares zge de yomares.
Because if we're really not able to really legitimately recognize and legitimately appreciate the entitlements of animals, those who are below us, then we've got absolutely no right to demand among humans ourselves that we be given our entitlements of freedom or equality or whatever they may be.
Teni tinji yena teni ngacho teni nguni tane gan jamnyum ngomata teni tambo tenjo toni yong gores tenjo ne ngosum gores.
So really genuine equality has to begin at the level of animals.
Teni ngacho thomer teni ta ngacho tenjo chola teni jamnyum teni chone gan jamnyum ngacho matang tenjo ni jacha gyan jamnyum go te zega mareze yena chone gan jamnyum de chone ga tonin chone ga rawang ti abuzta gores.
So when we talk about equality between humans and animals, we're really not meaning perhaps equality in an absolute sense, but certainly from the point of view of equal entitlement to survival.
Tindi yendi teni ta ti toni karzi ni teni ngosum gore ngacho thomer tendo namla teni jamnyum ta ne rawang cha chi ta kan rezena te ngacho karzi za chi ta teni ngacho shopa ga toni kha ga shapa mayem par ngacho shopa ga toni o ta nge teni toshak so teni shaza men o tena ngacho teni ta ngarang so teni mogina ti jamba zama mambo yore nge toshak so za men zi chi ta teni ngacho jamnyum ta tendo chola teni jamnyum Jamnyum go wancha tapi tani shawa shopa zangshu te teres.
And this is really where vegetarianism kicks in, because it's by being vegetarian and refraining from eating meat that we really in substance give animals their entitlement towards freedom and their entitlement to survival.
Terete yena ngacho teni roa mir thamshit teni karze tak zanken teni ko rendo gona te rek mareze te yong chiki mareze.
Whether or not all humans will become vegetarian is something that is probably highly unlikely.
Yena ngacho mriri ne ngacho rangli teni ngosum go ndos.
However, this is something that we really need to start with at the level of ourselves.
Teni Tommy Nekamna ngacho pena bumik teni rawang yena ja teni mo nakpo rawang yena ja te mayem bi ngacho zambalong ka tola murk nala rawang mayem ba mambo yore tena thomer mnyungshu zu kale teni mambo rene teni jima teni chamat jamnyum reswa teni zres.
So whether it's in terms of women's empowerment or the empowerment of black people, all of these movements have really started off at the level of the individual. So it's at this level that we need to begin too, with our attitude, with our efforts to respect the equality of animals.
Teni tambo ngacho teni jamnyum go teni thopthang da ngacho chunlim shipine kamna teni tela teni tawan jamata teni shatsen jamata teni ngaskin jamata teni mambo onunshik jamata teni mambo yong.
However, in these initial stages, it is inevitable that there will be many voices, opposing ideas that we have to contend with.
Teni ngacho tendrola talugla ngacho tendi rese ngacho pena khashege zena ngacho tendrola teni khochola teni chechok teni chogni garawang da trago ndu zena ayang kashi zena o ngacho tarung mulayang teni ngacho chechok teni jamnyu yo mare mena tendrola kala yo te go mare zi teni zenken yo yores.
For example, there are some people who respond to the assertion that animals' right to survival needs to be respected by saying that, well, all humans have not yet essentially achieved this right. So this being the case, then, how can we really speak about this in terms of animals? The time is not really ripe until this situation has been achieved for humans.